Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce you Notebook LM, which has been developed by Google. Let us deep dive into the Notebook LM, Google's AI powered learning assistance that's designed to make your study life smarter and easier. We will start with what Notebook LM is, why it is useful for students, and then I'll walk you through all the key options and features from uploading documents to generating summaries, question and answers, study guides, and much more. Now, what is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is a Google personalized AI learning tool. Unlike a normal search engine or chatbot, Notebook LM works directly with the documents you upload, whether it is a PDF, Google Doc, or notes. Then that means it doesn't view random answers. It actually reads you through the material and gives you summaries, explanations, and answers based on your own content. So it is very useful, and we should upload the documents which are required from our end. If we are uploading our unit-wise PDFs, yes, we can upload all the unit-wise PDFs into it and ask for questions. It will also summarize, write things, and also give us summaries. And if we are trying to do short question and answers, trying to ask short question and answers, or we want to learn the subject much better, we can also ask for multiple choice questions and also for fill in the blanks, so that we can prepare on our own and test our skill set. But in order to do it, we need to give the right content to it. Now, we can also create mind maps in this, where and how to read different processes, what are the different topics, and how the topic is correlated to the previous topic, or is it a classification of the present topic. In order to know it, we can also use mind maps to segregate our unit or our syllabus or our textbooks, where if we are giving a content and trying to analyze it, whether we have already studied during our intermediate or during our 10th, also we can remap those things and start working on those things. And while we upload certain PDFs and we are unable to understand the concept of what to learn and how to learn, you can also give useful prompts, that which are the important ones and which can be expected in the examinations. Likewise, you also need to give your previous question banks or previous question papers to analyze and give you the important topics in that present unit or in your subject. It can give you summarized things which can help you and process it and give you exact results. But as it is an AI tool, whatever the document which you have uploaded, it will only use those documents and give you the summarizes. So in this, you can, for students, this is totally a game changer. You can save hours of reading with automatic summaries. Tough topics in maths, physics, or chemistry, or computer aligned courses, or mechanical or civil, whatever the engineering courses are there, it can simplify you. It's like having a personal tutor 24/7 who explains only what you need. It helps in assignments, projects, and exam preparations. As I already said you about the summarization or important questions, it can also help you with the assignments, because our professors give us assignments to write and we find it much difficult to extract the same content from a textbook or a PDF which is given, or instead of copying the same PDF which is being given by a professor, it is best for us to write our own conceptual understanding in the assignment, so that will make us a better understanding of the concepts. I don't mean you to deviate the total PDF which is given by your professor/teacher. It is good to understand it and write it on your own terms. And this can also be helped by Notebook LM. If you are giving right prompts and if you are able to give the right textbooks and right topics, then it is easy for you to understand the concepts. It also gives you study guide creation, like key terms, questions, topic breakdowns, as I said, you correlation between the previous topic and the present topics. And it also summarizes more number of pages. Like, we find it very difficult to summarize 100 pages or 120 pages, but this will easily summarize you based on the topics, chapter wise question bank, or whatever subtopics which you want to learn from your own topics. You can still do it by giving your prompts. And the next is notes and annotations. You can add your own notes while studying inside Notebook LM. This allows you to personalize your learning by combining AI explanation with your own thoughts. As I previously explained you, it is better to give your own concept of understanding and prepare your own notes. That might help you to remember more instead of by adding the same topic just for few days or few years. And the special feature which this has is voice explanation. Now, as a student, if you are really struggling to understand a concept, you can give your Q&A, that is your question and answer, or the topic which is there in the textbook. It will clearly explain the topic in a voice mode. And if you are selecting the podcast mode, like a question is asked by somebody and the answer has been explained by some others, and it will correlate in its own and it will give you a audio answer, which can help you remember a lot better than just writing the things. Some users have access to an option where Notebook LM explains explains topic in audio format. This is great if you prefer listening instead of reading. And the next one is very important to the fourth year students or to the second year or third year students for the citations and references. Now we do a project and we should make the project report where we are using citations or references in the literature survey to explain the previous research what has happened before we are selecting our project and explaining our project. So this will also help you for your citations and references. Every source which you are selecting from Notebook LM will give you the citation of which book or which author or which paper you are citing from. So that will help you more doing your literature survey, introduction, research gap. All these things can be covered for the fourth years, second years and third years when you are trying to do your project. And this will also help you to cite the textbooks which you are referring to. That will also give you an additional benefit while you are going through your academic progress. As I said you about the research and also the references, the main part of using the citations is to avoid the plagiarism report in our project documentation. Plagiarism plays a very important role to also write a research paper or writing any other papers which are relating to our research. So it is very important to use the citations properly and the references properly to avoid the plagiarism report. If you have waited so long seeing this video, I would also give you an extra bonus adding or giving you step-by-step procedures how to use Notebook LM going forward. Here is a quick recap how to start. Go to Google notebooklm.google.com, sign in with your Google account, upload your PDF docs, start asking questions, generating summaries or creating study guides. That's it. It's super simple to use. Now after doing all the login process, as I said you before, it is an AI powered study partner which features like document upload, question and answers, summaries, insights, citations and study guide creation. It is a must-have tool for every student. Go ahead, try it out and let Notebook LM turn your PDFs into crystal clear explanations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and also subscribe our MREM official page so that you will be further getting all the notifications coming forward.